Find out what happens when you fuel a rocket with the explosive power of liquid nitrogen. 3, 2, 1. We've powered rockets using stomped air, bicycle pump air, vinegar and baking soda to make carbon dioxide. How about liquid air? This is liquid nitrogen. All right, the liquid nitrogen is gonna go into this Pyrex container here. Perfect. Believe it or not, most of the air that we breathe is nitrogen, not liquid nitrogen, but nitrogen gas, 79% of the air. Now this liquid wants to turn into a gas, and that's exactly what we're gonna use to be able to fuel the rocket. So watch, the liquid nitrogen goes into the bottle. Perfect. Now, this wants to turn into the gas. When I turn it upside down, the liquid nitrogen will go to the bottom, which will now become the top, push all the liquid out, and propel it forward. Don't try this at home. It's just for DIY sci. All right, here we go. You ready? 3, 2, 1. Gone. That's the power of air.
Hey, Spangler, you gotta talk to the neighbors now.
Sorry. Sorry. This is the problem with doing this kind of thing. So sorry. You know, the only thing better than bigger is more bigger. Let's blow this thing out with a big trash can rocket. Drop it in. Watch this. That's next on DIY Sci.